Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to claim using IRS Form 4547, also known as the Trump Account Election Form. So this form is used when a parent, guardian, or authorized person wants to open or manage a Trump account for a child and possibly qualify for a contribution. It is important to fill this out correctly so the account can be set up without any issues. So let's go step by step. So first, at the top of the form, you'll see part 1, which is for the parent, guardian, or authorized individual. In here, you'll enter basic details like your full name, social security number, date of birth, and address. Just make sure everything matches your official documents exactly to avoid delays. Next, move down to part 2, which is the child's information. So in this section, you'll fill in the child's full name, social security number, date of birth, and relationship to you. There's also a section for the child's address if it's the same as yours. You can simply check the box instead of filling it out again. After that, go to part 3. So this is where you check if the child qualifies for the pilot program contribution. If they meet the requirements, you'll select the checkbox to indicate that you want to receive that contribution. Then in part 4, you'll see the consent section. So this allows the IRS and authorized parties to use the information provided to create and manage the account. So read this carefully, then agree by continuing. And finally, at the bottom of the form, sign and date it. If someone helped prepare the form, there's also a section for the preparer to complete. And that is it. Once everything is filled out correctly, you can submit the form as instructed. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.